for that construction activity only. That's it.
High, medium, occasional.
High, medium risk is there. The report will have to look at it.
You will put the same thing, right? Construction.
Yeah. No. Is there high, medium is that right? Can you check the high, medium?
This is OHID. I mean, residual risk is not there.
Residual only. You just go down and
I see.
high, medium is there. I think there is nothing high, medium.
No, no.
Not there. No.
In OS, no.
Oh, it's from that level. No.
OS, no. Refer the OS, correct? Qualitative or no concern with stability construction period is there. Correct?
Yeah. Report to it.
Yeah. Is the existing facility? No.
Oh, yes.
Has existing industrial hygiene survey? No.
Here you put within brownfield, or within greenfield. There is no existing overall facility.
Which one? Which one?
On the point number 4, we are in the greenfield.
No, we're brownfield. No. Ultimately, construction is brownfield.
We are not building any existing facility. We are new facility only. So there is no existing facility applicable.
No. Yeah.
So we are in greenfield, not applicable. Particularly in greenfield area. After activities, we put in greenfield area.
Are you sure? Huh?
Yeah, it is greenfield. You are greenfield. You know greenfield, right? Ladies.
Okay.
You know greenfield and brownfield? See, brownfield is if some existing facility is there and we work inside it. Right? So brownfield is you are within something. Greenfield is it is totally new. You are not impacting anyone. So it is green. There is no this greenfield is not color green. Greenfield is not like a green. Okay. So that way it is. So we are putting some terms, that is standard terms for our adnoc for this. If you don't know and understand it, you let us know.
This is greenfield, that's why this is simple. If it is brownfield, this system, this study will be
Big one.
big one.
Okay. So here, has the existing industrial hygiene health surveillance
No,
program?
same thing, put greenfield area. Greenfield, same. When you say existing, put greenfield.
Got mail.
Is there a new or necessary? There is no. There is no.